Welcome back to Mr. Wash official. Wait, what is that down there?
That tanker is completely covered in mud. We have to check it out. Today, we're turning this forgotten tanker into something worth selling.
Four girls, one giant tanker. Let's get it
This
done.
might be the dirtiest tanker we've ever found.
Let's get down there and see what we've got. Look at this buildup. The entire front is sealed in mud.
The first blast is going to be powerful.
First, we're gonna blast away the loose mud.
The mud is everywhere, from the cab all the way to the rear wheels.
And here we go.
The original white paint is finally starting to show.
Now we're moving up to the cab.
This door is going to need some serious work. That headlight was almost completely buried. There it is, the white paint we were looking for.
The fenders are next.
We're already seeing a huge difference.
Now comes the biggest part, the tank itself.
Every little detail matters.
This tank is absolutely covered. We're not leaving a single muddy panel behind.
Look at all that mud coming off.
The lower sections are the worst.
The other side still looks untouched.
We're finally reaching the back. Now it's time for the pink foam.
The loose mud is gone. Now the real cleaning begins. Even the rear lights were buried. That pressure is cutting right through it. This is where the satisfying part begins. The cab is completely covered. Just look at that foam.
We're covering every inch.
Four people, one massive cleaning job. We're giving the shampoo time to break down the grime.
Now we gently scrub the stubborn areas.
The tank needs a little extra attention.
These wheels were seriously neglected.
We're bringing every wheel back.
The hidden mud is the hardest to remove.
This spot is finally giving up. We're going deep into the details. Time to wash all that foam away. That doesn't even look like the same tanker. And we're finishing the lower exterior details.
The transformation is getting serious.
The wheels are almost perfect.
The mud is officially gone.
We're drying everything carefully.
Even the wheels look brand new.
The tank is finally showing its true finish.
Now look at that finish. We're almost ready to take this truck to the shop.
From completely buried in mud to this.
Here we are.
I think we just rescued one incredible tanker. Now let's see what this clean tanker is worth.
We're taking it straight to a professional truck buyer.
Now he's checking the cab.
Now comes the moment we've been waiting for.
He wants it. We have a deal.
We have a deal.
And just like that, we sold it.
The buyer is taking a close look.
All that cleaning turned into a very good payday.
From a muddy, forgotten truck to a clean machine ready for work.
Would you have guessed this was the same truck? We rescued it, cleaned it, and
Thanks for watching Mr. Wash Official. What should we rescue next?